Sadly, trust in the binary options market is very, very low between binary options brokers and the traders. One of the reasons for this is that binary options is an OTC market, over the counter, where binary options are traded globally with no one true regulator able to regulate the market. However, then there's companies like Tradesmarter. Now, Tradesmarter have been around since 1998, true veterans in the financial markets. Tradesmarter are one of the only regulated binary options brokers around there. They're regulated in Australia by ASIC, the Australian regulator. Now, Tradesmarter, apart from knowing how to build trust with their clients, as you can see from the homepage of their website, really know what they're doing. First of all, the website is just fantastic. It's colourful, it's visual, you've got great bullet points explaining exactly what you need, and the site is populated with so much education and market reviews and help that it's just such a fantastic site. So let's take a look now. I'm going to log in. Okay, here we go. By the way, you should know that this is a proprietary platform, one of the few platforms created by the company themselves. And in fact, many companies have tried to copy this platform because it's so very, very good. You can see here the currencies, stocks, commodities, and indices available for trading. Your balance is here. Live chat is right at the top of the platform, so you can speak to somebody instantly. And the sentiment chart here, which we'll be taking a look at in a second. Let's first place a trade. So I would like to place a trade on a commodity. So let's go for the crude oil. We can see a sharp uptrend in the market over the course of the last hour or so. So I'm going to place a call on this simply by clicking here. I'm going to put $100 on this trade. This is my call price that I've locked in. By the way, if I'm in the money, so if my trade is successful, I'll get $168 back, which is a 68% payout. Not one of the largest, but definitely nothing to be sneezed at, or sniffed at, I should say. By the way, if my trade goes out of the money, I get $10 back. So let's place a trade on this. You can see that 41% of the market are placing a call trade on this, whereas 59% believe it's going to be a put by the expiry time. So that's it. My trade has been placed. Let's place another trade now on a stock. Okay, Barclays, $100. Barclays seem to be doing very well in the market. I'm going to place a trade with that. And bang, the trade was accepted. So you can see by now how much cash I have available to trade with and how much has already been invested. Let's take a look at the sentiment bar. Now, basically, this gives you an idea of what most people are placing their trades on. So in the Euro USD currency, 56% of the market have the sentiment or are placing trades on the call. And you have the option to close that or open it again. So it's a very flexible platform here. This is a sort of a collection of the major expiration prices. It's a kind of a quick guide. Payment options, money bookers, Liberty Reserve, Amex, all the major credit cards, no PayPal of course, like most of the market. I actually am quite interested here to look in the education center. They have this fantastic video which is on autoplay and a whole collection of articles. Just pause that because that needs to buffer. And all the articles you can see here, these are really good articles. You won't see articles of this quality anywhere else on brokers' websites. You've got an economic calendar to take a look what the market's doing, the fundamental events that are coming up. That's for the slightly more advanced trader that wants to trade the news. You've got a glossary of terms. Here, that's just a quick guide to, all the major keywords there. It's very good. So that's Tradesmarter, basically. Very, very good customer service, great marketing. The platform is absolutely exceptional. I never give a 10 out of 10. It's really impossible to do that. But with Tradesmarter, I have to say they are reaching a 9.5. So well done, Tradesmarter.